my first video. Today I'm going to be showing a makeup look, like a go-to makeup look that I would wear to like a bar or a club or not that I do go to those things and not that those things are like happening. But if both those scenarios were to happen, this is what I'd wear. Or like a party, I guess. I got my Starbies, my Starbs. I got the oat milk, sugar, brown sugar, I don't know what it's called, but I got it in decaf, don't kill me, because caffeine really fucks me up. If I drink caffeine, I won't be able to sleep at night. It's not so much with like Diet Cokes, because I drink a lot of Diet Coke. I love soda. It's more like coffee. Like I had McDonald's coffee once and I could not sleep the whole night, and it's happened like multiple times. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna take my glasses off. They're new, I just got them. Anyways, I'm gonna put this on to get my hair back. So we're gonna start with a fan fave, Givenchy. I don't know if that's gonna focus. Maybe not, probably not. Mr. Matte, and I like this, I like this primer, but you can get like a dupe of it, I'm sure, at like Target, and it'll be the exact same. Maybe NYX has it, I don't know. Maybe ELF. This was $30, so it was like relatively cheap for Sephora. It's lasted me a while though. And primer like changed my life. Like, I don't know what I was doing before primer. Smooths the pores and makes your face so soft. Okay. Next, I have this Laura Mercier Silk Creme foundation. So I'm gonna go wet my brush. This isn't a brush. I'm gonna go wet my beauty blender. I'm gonna put it on the beauty. Ooh, farting noise. Put it on the beauty blender. It's a little dark for me. I don't go outside. I mean, I did today, but barely. I don't go outside a lot. So, and this is a lot. Oh my god. Do you ever like sometimes something bad smells like something good? Like, I swear sometimes pee smells like penne pasta. Am I the only one that has that? Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques. I had this so long ago brush. I'm gonna blend it out. This is not soft. I'm like hurting myself. You know what I can't stand is when people put foundation on their lips. I don't know why, I can't stand it. And then they put lipstick over it. Like, bitch, just don't put foundation on. I guess they want like a base layer, but next I'm gonna go in with my Dior Skin Forever Undercover. blend again with my beauty blender. And then I'm gonna blend a little more with like a blemish spot on brush. You know when your makeup looks so bomb from far away and then close up, it's like, I swear, beauty YouTubers, they always look so good, but if you went close to them, it'd be crustation nation. It'd be so crusty. But everyone's is crusty. Like, let's normalize the crust. I think there's this perfection that there's this like beauty standard that used to be like flawless, but have you seen makeup? It's cakey. Like, let's not pretend it's not. Makeup is so weird if you think about it. It's like, okay, my skin's not good enough, so I'm gonna put on this like liquid skin. That's better. I'm gonna take this really cheap concealer by Maybelline and just go in on my eyes, because these, I have like dark circles around my eyes. It's not so much here, but it's more like here and here. So this, this isn't good at all, don't get this. It's, but my Dior is kind of running out. What happens with me with concealer so much is that I'll get like a line, like it'll just leave a line because it won't like blend, and my natural like creases will make a line. Oh, I forgot to do this earlier, but I'm gonna put on some Vaseline on my lips because my lips get so dry. And I like the Vaseline to kind of like set in before I put lip stuff on it. Then I guess we'll just do the face part first. This is my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder. And so, hear me out. I used like a white powder for a long time, and then in pictures it would show up white. I'd look like that James Charles picture. And then so I moved to like a powder that's like the color of my skin, and it doesn't show up like that in pictures. So if you're having that problem, switch it. So I'm using a Lancome Paris brush to pat it in. I don't think this is what it's for, but I think this is a blush brush, but whatever. It's soft. I think powder really makes a difference. I think it's like, it kind of locks it in. I like that my freckles still show through the foundation. Because some people put on foundation so thick that it could like cover tattoos, which is like fine, but I like my freckles. When I first got my freckles, I was like 7 and I cried because I didn't want them, but now I like them. Remember on iCarly when they're like, no, I'm not doing that again. Okay, I'm gonna do my brows. And this is the tiniest thing. It's from Maybelline, and I've gotten these since I was like, I don't know, like since middle school, and they're the best, and I love them, and they match my brows, and they stay on even in water, and they don't smudge. They're the best. And I got this sharpener. I stole it in high school from my art teacher, so. Okay, so I do have a new one. I keep these on deck. Now let's open these. I love doing my eyebrows. Like if I had to only do like 2 things of makeup, it'd be brows and foundation. They look kind of cartoony, but I'm gonna blend it out with the other side. Then I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal True Match Lumi highlight. I went to a beauty store to find highlighter, and this was literally all they had. So I'm not complaining though, I like it. You can never know like how much you put on until you're in like the wrong light, and it's just glaring. I don't really put it on my nose. I don't think that look is good. It's for some people it does, but not for me. Maybe here. Okay. So I just got a new eyeliner by Neutrogena because I just wanted to buy something cheap. Which makeup isn't cheap though. Like even cheap makeup, it's not cheap. And just pray for me because this takes me a while. Okay? Okay. Okay, this eyeshadow is ancient. My friend gave it to me and it's like broken, but I love the green in it. First I'm gonna go in with the broken one that is cream color. And I'm put it all around my eyelid. So it'll be the base. And I take it up to my eyebrow, because a lot of people don't do that, and I feel like you should, you dig? Okay, then I'm gonna go in with the beautiful green. I can't really show you on the palette because it will fall out and break, but you'll see on my eye. I don't have a like other brush, so I'm just gonna go in with a Q-tip. I'm gonna take the black. It's like a black green. Hold on, I'm gonna bring this closer. And I'm gonna bring it over the, I'm gonna bring it over my eyeliner. Then I'm gonna go in with the brown, and I'm gonna take that like above, like on the crease and like towards the outer ends. So it kind of gives like a depth and shadow. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I also have the Colossal Big Shot, and this is waterproof, and I really like waterproof makeup mascara because you can cry in it. I always need a good cry. Literally you can go into water, it won't come off. You have to like scrub it to take it off, which I like because it stays on and it does not flake. Kush mascara can't relate. She can't relate. She flakes, she falls off, I'm sure if I cried it'd drip down my face, but I have it, so I'm gonna use it. Oh, actually, yeah, I'm gonna take a black eyeliner and go under my waterline. Oh, I'm gonna take my MAC lip liner. This needs to be sharpened. And this is my go-to lip gloss. It's old as hell. It is the Revlon Color Stay Ultimate Liquid Lipstick, and listen to me, this stays on. This stays on like until the next day, and you have to like scrub it off, which I like again. I didn't wear blush for the longest time because I was like, my face gets red because when I drink, because I'm Asian, I'm Chinese. I know it does get red, and like my whole Chinese side of my family gets red. So, but then I tried blush and it looks so beautiful. Like, I love the way blush looks. I'm gonna go onto my eyebrows to like lock them in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I love this. Okay, that's the full look. Now I'm gonna eat hot Cheetos and take it off because there's nowhere to go. Okay, my card was full and I didn't think I really got a good close-up of my face. So here it is. Yeah, this is what I'd wear to like a party. It's kind of my go-to. It's pretty simple, but it still has that pop. But yeah, I think I'm gonna make more YouTube videos because I really want it to like get into it. I want it to be like a hobby of mine. So please subscribe.